On August 11, I started showing you how to make a pretty mica shift effect pendant using Cernit clay. Now let's finish the pendant. I will first get a very thin piece of raw clay. This is just to ensure that the two baked pieces, the backdrop and the cabochon, are securely bonded. You need to place bake and bond or liquid clay both under and over the thin raw clay. Then secure your cabochon right in the middle of the backdrop. Using a toothpick, first insert a little bake and bond in the tiny space between the cabochon and the backdrop. Then, using a sculpting tool or your X-Acto blade, cram in that space a thin string of clay in one of the colors of the cabochon. Use again the toothpick to place some bake and bond on the backdrop around the cabochon. Cut a 2 mm wide strip of black clay that was passed through the machine on a thin setting. I used a 7 on a make-in. Start placing the strip flat on the backdrop surrounding the cabochon. Blend a bit the joining of the edges. Now let's make the bail. Get some black clay on the thickest setting on the pasta machine. Have it at about 1 1/4 inch high and about 2 inches wide. Now you need one of the colors you used in the cabochon. On a thin setting, cut a 2 mm strip and place it in the middle of the black clay. Burnish it really well. Then use a 1 1/2 inch square cutter to cut a diamond. Wrap some aluminum foil around a dowel or a pencil or anything round that can get in the oven. Wrap your diamond around the dowel and shape it so that the corners would unite, but do not let them stick to each other. Insert a small piece of aluminum foil between them. Bake for about 30 minutes. Now simply place some glue, I used 2 parts Loctite here, between the tips of the bail. I suggest you go from the inside going outwards. Then place the bail on the backdrop right in the middle between the 2 colors and press. You'll have to let the glue set for at least 2 hours, then you're ready to go.